Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is very easy, healthy, instant breakfast that can be prepared in just 10 minutes. Moreover, when we don't have enough time to soak dal, ferment idli or dosa batter, this recipe will be ideal to prepare in just 10 minutes without compromising any taste. Before getting into the recipe, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. To start with our recipe, here we have 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of semolina or suji, 1 medium sized onion, 1 grated carrot, half cup of homemade paneer, and French beans that are sliced and microwaved for a minute. You may boil on the stove also, and half cup of chopped cilantro, 1/4 of bell pepper chopped, and 1 tomato chopped. Now take a mixing bowl and transfer our whole wheat flour and half cup of semolina to the mixing bowl. Now add the French beans that are microwaved for about a minute. Now also transfer this onion that is chopped into small pieces and grated carrot, 1 tomato that is chopped into small slices, 1/4 of the capsicum sliced into small pieces, and handful of cilantro. Finally, here I crushed this paneer and I am adding this homemade paneer. Adding paneer to our recipe makes it a protein rich breakfast. So now add salt according to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of crushed black pepper powder, and here I am adding 1 teaspoon of oregano. This oregano gives extra flavor and this is also very good for health. Here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you are not interested, you may avoid it. And now here half cup of homemade yogurt and half cup of water. Initially I added half cup of water and started mixing the batter, and then gradually add more water. This way, if you are adding water gradually, it helps in knowing the consistency of the batter. So add water gradually and mix the batter. Once the batter is mixed, here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and to this baking powder here I am squeezing half lemon juice. The acidic components of yogurt and lemon juice reacts with the baking powder and makes it ferment within 1 or 2 minutes. Now here I am adding little more water and check the consistency of the batter. It should not be too thick nor runny. Now heat the pan and grease the pan with a little amount of oil like this. Once the pan is heated, here I am adding half a spoon of mustard seeds and half a spoon of sesame seeds onto the pan, and then pour a ladle full of batter onto the pan and spread little. The best part of this recipe is it's nutrient rich as we added more vegetables, and protein loaded as we added paneer. On the whole, it is a complete meal for a breakfast. Moreover, if kids are picky in eating, this would be an ideal breakfast to feed them healthy because it is loaded with the protein and the nutrients. You may use any vegetable that is available to you, and once it is spread, now drizzle few drops of oil and allow to cook on a medium to low flame for about 1 or 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here this is well cooked, so flip it and try to cook on the other side also. Once it is well cooked on the other side also, transfer to a serving plate. So friends, please try making this easy, healthy, instant breakfast that can be prepared in 10 minutes for busy mornings. And do comment how you liked. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.